with a dream, my cardigan. Welcome to the land of fame excess. Am I gonna fit in? Jumped in the cab, here I am for the first time. Look to my right and I see the Hollywood sign. This is all so crazy. Everybody seems so famous. My tummy's turning and I'm feeling kinda homesick. Too much pressure and I'm nervous. That's when the taxi man turned on the radio and the Jay-Z song was on. And the Jay-Z song was on. And the Jay-Z song was on. So I put my hands up to play my song. The butterflies fly away. Nodding my head like yeah. Moving my hips like yeah. Got my hands up to play my song. You know I'm gonna be okay. Yeah. It's a party in the USA. Yeah. It's a party in the USA. Get to the club in my taxi cab. Everybody's looking at me now. Like, who's that chick that's rocking kicks? She gotta be from out of town. So hard with my girls on around me. It's definitely not a Nashville party. Cause all I see is the letters. I guess I never got the memo. My tummy's turning and I'm feeling kinda homesick. Too much pressure and I'm nervous. That's when the DJ dropped my favorite tune. And the Britney song was on. And the Britney song was on. And the Britney song was on. So I put my hands up to play my song. The butterflies fly away. Nodding my head like yeah. Moving my hips like yeah. Got my hands up to play my song. You know I'm gonna be okay. Yeah. It's a party in the USA. Yeah. It's a party in the USA. Feel like I've been on a flight back to my hometown tonight. Something stops me every time. The DJ plays my song and I feel alright. So I put my hands up to play my song. The butterflies fly away. Nodding my head like yeah. Moving my hips like yeah. Got my hands up to play my song. You know I'm gonna be okay. Yeah. It's a party in the USA. Yeah. It's a party in the USA. I put my hands up to play my song. The butterflies fly away. Nodding my head like yeah. Moving my hips like yeah. Got my hands up to play my song. You know I'm gonna be okay. It's a party in the USA. It's a party in the USA.
Kawan, macam mana progress? Update PM sukan kita dah bersedia. Peralatan sukan, fasiliti sukan, semua tip top. Ada pickleball, basketball, volleyball. Okey. Okey, yang penting nak bagi tahu kita memang dah bersedia untuk terima freshie. Come on, let's go. Right. Okay. Thank you. Assalamualaikum.
Alright, that's good. Sorry, I'm a bit late. Hi everyone. So, how's the progress?
Okey, untuk penginapan, kapasiti yang kita akan terima untuk lelaki 157, perempuan pula 544. Jadi PM dah siap buat inventory untuk blok C dan juga blok B. Mereka dah pastikan juga katil, kipas, almari semua berfungsi. Dan berkenaan kerosakan tu PM juga dah buat help desk.
Already prepared, so we are just waiting to include few information like information assignment, and I think unit kebajikan ready for UMO.
So totally Shah regarding the makanan for freshie telah diuruskan, and of course we make sure that the diet is everything seimbang, and also food waste bin has been disediakan to make sure that the students practice sustainability.
Please, how's the budget?
Okay everyone, so we almost hit the cap for our budget, okay, and we still have about 3 weeks before UM WOW. Okay, so I want all bureau to watch your spending carefully. Okay, so no more unnecessary spending. Okay, from now on. Okay, so that we can keep below the budget that we had planned before.
Okay everyone, good progress today. I think all of us are ready for UM-WOW, so let's hope for the best. Good luck untuk all the bureaus, and I think today we can adjourn the meeting. Thank you.